Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show to you the way how you can use the clone tools on PicsArt application. Let's just do it. Open your PicsArt and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to use to edit, and I already got this. I already got this object as well as the background, and I would like to clone this object into the same background that I have in this picture. The thing that you have to do is just tap into the tools and there will be like a clone there, so you just need to tap it. First thing that you have to do is just picking the object that you want to clone. So let's say here I would like to start the clone to be here, so you just need to tap in this side. The next thing you need to do is just tapping into the area that you want to have the result. I will let to be there, and then you just need to start stretching. Okay, stretching everything on the right side to get the object is being cloned into the other area. And now whenever you're done, you just need to go click apply. So you'll see I already got this clone for the original object is right here. That's so simple and easy. Hopefully you understand. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment section and we will meet again into other tutorial.